Sending or receiving money to loved ones across borders just got simpler with Payoneer. This tutorial will guide you through requesting funds from family for support. A seamless process even if they're oceans away. First, log into your Payoneer account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Request Payment option. This is usually found in the main navigation menu or under your account summary. You'll see a couple of options for family support. Choose the option that allows you to request money from someone you know, rather than a business client. Now, you'll fill in the request details, enter the email address associated with your family member's Payoneer account if they don't have one yet. You can include a link in the memo to help them create it. Next, specify the amount you need to request. Select the correct currency for the transaction. This ensures clarity for both you and your family member. You'll also find a memo or description field. This is your space to add a personal touch or a brief explanation for the request, like family support for tuition fees or help with medical expenses. Before finalizing, review all the details carefully to ensure accuracy. Then, click the Send Request button. Congratulations! Your request has been sent. Your family member will receive an email notification with all the details and instructions on how to send you the funds directly through Payoneer. Once you receive the funds, they'll appear in your Payoneer balance, ready for you to use. It's a secure and efficient way to stay connected and supported by your family, no matter the distance.